Alright, good day everybody. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the basic tools I make use of in manually loading my AdSense account. The tools we majorly make use of in loading AdSense accounts. Okay, so let me log into my dashboard, and you can see this is our live AdSense dashboard. You can see from today so far, you can see what we have summed up today so far on this account. We are still aiming for 2,000. We want to close today with $2,000 on the account. So currently, as I'm speaking, we are still working on this account. So you can see this month, you can see what we have summed up on the account this month. We have summed up like $14,000 on the account this month, and we are aiming for $35,000 this month on this account. So by the way, okay, from the performance below, you can see everything on the performance. It can tell you that the method is effective. You can see, and it's impressive. You can see what we have here is very impressive. So by the way, let me go over to the tools I was talking about. Firstly, I'm going to be talking about an Go login alternative, or most of you that use AdPower Go login, or also what do you call that one, undetectable browser. These are very good alternative for them. This is called Ghost browser. This Ghost browser is very good. It's more better than this Go login. It's totally hides your identity and fingerprint, everything. So this is from my own experience, this is what I've been using too. For like 4 months recently, this is the browser I've been making use of. That's the thing we updated in our method too. So for the proxy we make use of in working, we make use of 2 major proxies in loading an account. That is 360 proxy. This 360 proxy, they actually changed their name to Cherry proxy. So if you go down here, you're going to see it's Cherry proxy. Don't worry, I'll be dropping the links to these tools below in the description box. So the second proxy I was telling you guys about is Shifter. It's called Shifter proxy. Shifter proxy. Okay. So this Shifter proxy is also a good alternative. I actually started using this Shifter proxy recently too. So throughout this year, mostly we have been making use of 360 proxy, but this Shifter proxy is a proxy I actually found out new, and it's effective. I've tried it out. I've used it for like 2 months now. Last month and last 2 months, I used this proxy. So it's also effective. You can just come over here and see the pricing. This is also cheap one. It's affordable. You understand? It's also affordable too. So the last but not the least is the extension we make use of in exporting cookies. It's called Cookie Editor. So this is the extension you're going to be adding in this Ghost browser. This is the extension you add in this Ghost browser. So I said I'll be dropping a video next of like a video of loading. I'm going to be dropping a loading video making use of these tools I just listed out today. So if you're new to our channel, stick around. If you're new to my channel, please stick around for this. Subscribe for the next video that is going to be coming. Turn on the notification button so you get the video once it drops. Alright, for those of you out there that are already loading, safe loading to everybody. Stay safe,